Hi there, a few years back I made this Arduino based LED hourglass. That video got good response and a lot of makers built their own versions of this hourglass. However, many of them faced different problems while coding. At that time I didn't have access to the 3D printing, so I made the enclosure using foam board. Here's the new version of that hourglass. The body is 3D printed and it has a rechargeable battery. In this video I will show you how you can build this project yourself. I will also explain how to upload the code properly. So let's get started with the video. These are the components needed for building the hourglass. An Arduino, I am using Arduino Nano, an ADXL335 3-axis accelerometer, two MAX 7219 based LED matrices, a 3.7 volt battery with 5 volt booster and charging module. Also, we need some small components. You can find the complete component list and purchase links from the video description. Here is the circuit diagram. You can download it if you want. Just follow the circuit diagram and solder all the components accordingly. Here is the 3D model. I used Tinkercad to design it and I printed it using my Bambulab A1 3D printer. If you don't have a 3D printer, you can purchase the printed model and all other components as a kit from my site. Before assembling everything, we need to program the Arduino. Here is the code folder with the header files. Just open the code from here. After opening, check whether the header files are available or not. You can see them here. If they are missing, go back to the folder and copy all the header files into the code folder. This step is crucial and you have to do it. After that, you can just upload the code and that's it. Now we can attach all the components to the enclosure just like this. Our finished hourglass looks something like this, and you can see how it works. All the files for this project can be downloaded from my site. Link is given in the video description. That's all about today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new from my video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.